Hello everyone. In today's 1 minute wisdom, I'll be telling you the benefits of meditation. Scientists say that an average person has about 60,000 thoughts per day. That's approximately 42 thoughts per minute. The more the number of thoughts you have, the more you will be lost and confused in your day-to-day life. And if you don't want that to happen, you will be looking for something that will reduce the number of thoughts. And this is where meditation kicks in. Meditation not only helps reduce your number of thoughts, but also helps in improving your focus and concentration. Research says even 10 minutes of daily meditation can help you in a number of ways you can't imagine. Here are 10 science-based benefits of meditation. First, it reduces stress. Second, it controls anxiety. Third, it promotes emotional health. Fourth, it enhances self-awareness. Fifth, it lengthens attention span. Sixth, it reduces age-related memory loss. Seventh, it helps fight addictions. Eighth, it improves sleep. Ninth, it helps control pain. And 10th, it stabilizes blood pressure. Now that you know the benefits of meditation, I hope you will start meditating soon. I hope this video helped you in some or the other way. I will see you in the next one. Peace.